The first one that I want to talk about is debug mode. So when you go and you've got your application, full built application that you're ready to ship out, there's a certain flag that you can specify or not specify during the build process for debug mode. And back in 2024, there was an Electron application that got built with this debug flag set. And when this debug flag gets set, you can bypass a lot of the consent and control restrictions on Mac OS. And it's super easy. When you open up the Electron app, just like you would on a normal Mac, on the top left-hand side, usually like where you see edit, view, window, help, there was a debug section. And you can go and debug it like a developer would debug it and bypass some of the controls on Mac OS. So if you're looking at Electron apps, you definitely want to look at seeing if debug mode is there. They're also vulnerable to injection-based attacks because this is primarily a web app running in an application. They're vulnerable to your normal cross-site scripting and code injection. They might not be as prominent as they were running on the web, but it opens up some potential for some code injection. And then there's also dynamic library hijacking that you can do as well.